He's big. He's bad. And he's not just a wolf, he's a bully.
Got a problem with it?
Too cold. Too hot. Just right. Once upon a time, Fairy Tale Academy was filled with students who were just right. They were smart, kind, hardworking, and even good-looking. But then, a bunch of bullies came and made the students think that they were all wrong. And the worst bully was B.B. Wolf.
People call me a bully because I stick up for myself. Bite 'em before they bite you is my motto. Okay, fact is, I don't like hurting people. But I've had some bad stuff happen in my life, so I don't believe I'm just right. I get jealous of kids who seem to have good lives, and that makes me ferocious.
I'm Gretel, and this is my cousin Hansel. Hansel's family is well, we're poor, okay? Which is why BB Wolf never stops picking on me. He says I'm too poor to pay attention. I hope Miss Fahree can help, because somebody needs to teach that wolf a lesson.
I'll use my fairy magic to transform BB into the student he's been bullying. Sure, he'll be a little embarrassed when he becomes Rapunzel, but just you watch. By the time I'm done with him, that wolf will finally have empathy for people who are different. He might even start to believe he's just right.
So, will Miss Fahrie's plan stop BB from making fun of people?
Can a bully like me ever believe he's just right?
Will our fairy tale end with happily ever after?
You'll have to schedule a performance of BB Wolf Gets Schooled to find out. We combine a live performer with professionally produced video segments and audience interaction. Along the way, we'll empower your kindergartners through 5th graders with empathy.
Your students will learn they're like good porridge, just right, just the way they are. Contact Drama by George to schedule your performance of BB Wolf Gets Schooled.